Most religions give you a book. They give you a list of things to believe, things to say, and things to argue about. We have spent centuries trying to find peace through lots of words. But words are heavy, and the more we speak, the louder the world gets. In 2026, a few dozen people decided to try something else. They started walking in Texas. They're ending in DC. 108 days of movement, 0 words of explanation. They aren't bringing a manifesto. They aren't bringing a petition. They're bringing nothing. Imagine walking 20 miles a day and having nothing to prove at the end of it. No stage to stand on. No opponent to defeat. Other movements demand your attention. They shout for your vote, your money, or your anger. This one simply invites your presence. When you make peace with nothing, you become untouchable. You don't need the world to be different for you to be calm. You don't need to win a debate to feel whole. While others are busy building walls of logic, these monks are just moving through them. They are showing us that you don't have to carry the weight of the world to change the way you walk through it. On February 10th, they reach the heart of the nation, not to speak to the politicians, but to stand near them, to show that 2,300 miles of silence is louder than any speech ever given in that city. Maybe we don't need more truth. Maybe we just need more emptiness. Look at the road behind them. It is empty. Look at their hands. They are empty. Because when you have nothing left to prove and nothing left to hide, you finally have room for peace. Walk for peace. Texas to DC. 108 days. The silence is just beginning.